Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The auto-channel Gossplash with CeCe Winans media launch was recently held at the Ligani Golf Club and was attended by members of the media, sponsors and stakeholders. The sixth staging of Gossplash, promoted by Action Entertainment, will take place on Emancipation Day, August 1 at the Ligani Golf Club Academy in New Kingston. Under the theme The Worship Encounter, Gossplash intends to attract an even wider audience, including conventional worshippers. CEO of Action Entertainment, Markland Edwards, noted there will be a few changes at this year's staging. Of note is a venue change from the usual Sugarman's Beach in Portmore.
Normally we are packed with activities throughout the day, but this time around it's going to be just a concert in the evening. Too many events are happening. Too many family events happening on the same day, not much to offer. So I'm saying, you know what, let's do something different this day. Let's go into Kingston. We've been doing it on the beach all these years. Let's go into Kingston and just have a real good gospel concert.
Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Babsy-Grange expressed her support for gospel events to thrive in Jamaica.
We are resolved that my ministry will continue to work toward the creation of a facilitating and supportive environment. All genres of Jamaican music will thrive, and that is an environment for which we are committed.
The action-packed event will feature Jamaican gospel artists, including Chevelle Franklin, Jermaine Edwards and Tiffany Hall Johnson, and will be headlined by 12-time Grammy Award-winning American gospel artist CeCe Winans. See you at Gossplash. Reggae artist Wayne J is stepping forward in the music industry with two new releases, which are intended to uplift the people of the world using conscious and positive lyrics. His latest track, dubbed Better Day, is available on all streaming platforms, which was produced by Barcelona, a Spain-based label, Greenlight Records, and Rack Attack reflects on the hardships faced by inner-city ghetto youths with great hope of an improved situation. The video for Better Days, directed by Dennis Hamilton and Wayne Smith, was released earlier this month and depicts Wayne J's strolling through his community of Waterhouse in Kingston. Previous releases from Wayne J include Plastic Bottles, Tom, Copytecker, and Murderer. Reggae singer Savannah offers up a breezy take on love and emotional uncertainty on her latest single, Sometime Love. The Jamaican singer-songwriter, known for her trademark smooth vocals, flows effortlessly over the sultry guitar-driven production. The single had its world premiere on Tuesday on BBC One Extra with Mr. Jam and is available now on all streaming platforms via Indignation Collective and Delicious Vinyl Island. The songstress recently revealed visuals for the song, which features the singer styled in flirty and bright-hued fashion choices, which have the essence of summertime aesthetic, coyly tumbling and singing underwater. Savannah is slated to perform at Uppsala in Sweden today and the Reggae Jam Festival in Germany over the weekend. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend.